strong. Be strong. You must tell the devil. You must tell the devil. You must tell these devils. Word. You got to tell the devil. Tell the devil. Word. What? You must tell the devil. Be strong. Word. Stand on the rock. When the devil got your soul and you ain't got control, you know you born again, but you feel like you old. You put your mind on Christ or put your mind on Chris. For everlasting life, you must listen to this. Now you could get with this or you could get with that. I think you go with this. Yo, Christians, where you at? Oh yes, it's KRS with Church of the Harvest, with Clarence McClinton, hip hop's winning evangelist. On then there's Hezekiah, his choir brings the fire. He's taking it higher. Tell him the devil is a liar. I know you think about that Y2K, and I see the spirit that makes you lose your way. But we got something that is bigger than banks and